The past simple tense is a useful tool for discussing successful forest preservation projects that have taken place in the past. This tense allows us to talk about specific actions and events that occurred at a specific point in time. In this essay,
We will explore several examples of successful forest preservation projects around the world that have made a positive impact on the environment. One example of a successful forest preservation project is the Great Bear Rainforest in British Columbia, Canada. In the early 2000s, the provincial government, environmental organizations, and First Nations groups worked together to create a plan to protect this unique and biodiverse ecosystem. Through a combination of government regulations, sustainable logging practices, and community involvement, the Great Bear Rainforest has been preserved for future generations to enjoy. In Brazil, the Amazon rainforest has also been the focus of successful preservation efforts. In the 1990s, the government implemented a series of policies to combat deforestation and illegal logging in the Amazon. These efforts have led to a significant decrease in deforestation rates and have helped to protect the rich biodiversity of the region. Thanks to these past initiatives, the Amazon rainforest continues to be one of the most important natural resources on the planet. Another example of successful forest preservation is the restoration of the Atlantic forest in Brazil. This once vast forest ecosystem had been severely degraded by deforestation and agriculture. But through a combination of reforestation projects and conservation efforts, the Atlantic forest is slowly recovering. By using the past simple tense, we can talk about the specific actions that were taken to restore this important ecosystem and the positive results that have been achieved. Overall, the past simple tense allows us to reflect on successful forest preservation projects that have made a lasting impact on the environment. By studying these examples, we can learn valuable lessons about the importance of protecting our natural resources and working together to create a sustainable future for our planet. It is clear that through past efforts and initiatives, we can make a positive difference in the preservation of our forests for generations to come.